Hello everybody. Today I'm excited to present to you the new extension on the Connect extension ecosystem, our Dell Boomi extension for CloudBlue Connect. Dell Boomi brings a platform by helping organizations change and innovate faster by making it easy to connect any application, data, and device with application programming interfaces. Dell Boomi integrations applications are built around one or more flows. Typically, a Dell Boomi application begins processing a message and inbound endpoint receives it in a flow. This flow can then either implement all processing stages or route the message to other flows or sub-flows to perform specific tasks. Connectors are a component of software that provides a connection between a Dell Boomi flow and an external resource. The resource can be any source of content, such as a database, protocol, or API. Dell Boomi offers a set of property connectors and third-party connectors developed by partners. In the Connect documentation portal extensions, there is a Dell Boomi section with the CloudBlue Connect Dell Boomi extension description. The Dell Boomi extension has operations that cover subscriptions, products, tiers, and usage functionality. There are more than 70 operations that can be used for integrators to build the integration. Building the integration is pretty simple. In the connector repository, drag and drop the component to the design canvas, configure each node and create the flow by joining each node. Once the flow is ready, you can test the flow. Each connector shape or node has its configuration depending on the connector. In the CloudBlue connector shape is necessary to set up 3 different configurations. The action sets the type of operation, for example, list resources, get a resource, or close. The connection set the environment and credentials of connection to CloudBlue Connect platform. The operation indicates over what resource will act the action. As I mentioned, a connection defines in what environment of CloudBlue Connect the node will work. It is possible to define a connection and reuse it to different nodes of CloudBlue Connect extension. You can change a connection at any time by testing the extension or put in production. To set up a node connection, go to CloudBlue Connect, Integrations, General, and copy the endpoint and paste in the connection to set up a node connection. Then in Tokens, create a new token type custom, copy the value and paste in the connection. Let's go for the demo. In this demo, we will see an auto-approval flow from the vendor side. Once the distributor creates a request, the integration will approve this request in this flow. The first node starts the flow, then gets all of the requests in pending status. Following that, for each request, set a variable with the requested value. Create the JSON with the value of the parameter. Update the request with the values of the parameters, set up the JSON with the templated data and finally approves the request. Let's create a subscription request in the provider portal. The subscription is now in processing status. Then test the integration. Now the subscription is in active status. For more info, you can visit our CloudBlue Connect community portal and our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.